thank you again, Arun. I think you have become the new superstar already of the media. But today we are here for Goldmedal. As you know, they've done an amazing job. We're at Mumbai Metro, and they've just decorated and stunned up the place so beautifully. I'm so happy to be here today for them. As we know, they are quality in electricity, switches, everything. Our entire family is here today, and of course we had a treat. We got to go up on the Metro. We had to take a look as well at what they have done, and it looks amazing. And now we're actually going to go up and have a ride. Thank you guys so much for being here today, and I hope you enjoyed the morning. Yeah, he was the star that day, more than our trailer. We're very excited. I think like even that day when you saw everyone was really loving the trailer. We got a great response, and that I think was the most the biggest reward for us. We've all worked so hard on the film, and now I think like you're all invited, of course, for like our premiere, and of course I think like you guys all are going to be there as well. And we're just looking to end the year with just positivity, and it's a great funny film Rohit Shetty has done. Of course, he's like our top director of the country, so we just want to end the year with positivity, and I'm sure that Circus is going to bring that. Thank you so much.